morning, students. Today we will read Social Studies book, a new lesson. Lesson 13, Unit 4, Our Neighborhood. Today we will learn about our neighborhood. What is neighborhood? Students, in this picture, can you see? Here are some places given like post office, hospital, school, buildings, road, vehicle. So, from this picture, what we observe? Here is a boy and this place is his neighborhood. That means neighborhood is the area around our house. Do you understand what is neighborhood? Neighborhood is the area around our house. The people who live in our neighborhood. The people who live in our neighborhood are called our neighbors. The people who live in our neighborhood are called our what? Neighbors. You have also your neighbors in front of your house or in your neighborhood. So is this clear? So we must take care of our neighborhood. Taking care of our neighborhood, we must take care of our neighborhood. See, some pictures are given here. In this picture, this boy and girl keeping garbage in the bin. We must take care of our neighborhood. Keep the streets in the neighborhood clean. Here, street means road. So, keep the streets in the neighborhood clean. Throw the waste in the dustbin, as you saw here. Tell your elders if the street lights in the neighborhood are not working. Students, in your neighborhood also there are street lights, and sometimes that street lights is damaged. Then what should you do? You have to tell your elders if the street light is not working. Respect your neighbors and help them. You should always respect your neighbors and help them. Do not disturb your neighbors. Never disturb to your neighbors. Okay, we are living in our neighborhood and we have to follow some rules. So, once again I repeat, keep the streets in the neighborhood clean. Throw the waste in the dustbin. Tell your elders if street lights in the neighborhood are not working. Respect your neighbors and help them. Do not disturb your neighbors. There are many places in our neighborhood. Here in this page, you can see so many places in our neighborhood like bookshop, market, mall, post office, police station, park, mosque, temple, hospital, house and many more. So, there are many places in our neighborhood. There are different place like park, hospital, school, post office, police station and places of worship. And each place has different work. There are different shops in the market where we go to buy things. Where should we go to buy some things? In the market. We go to the post office to post letter. A postman brings us letters from the post office. Where should we go to post our letters? In the post office. And who bring these letters from the post office? A postman. Okay, what does police do? The police keep our neighborhood safe. We find police in the police station. In police station, which people we find? Yes, police. Children play and elders walk or relax in the park. Okay, children play and elders walk or relax in the park. You all go to the park and play. We go to hospital when we are sick. All of you know that when we fall sick, where we have to go? Hospital. There are schools in the neighborhood. There are also schools in the neighborhood. There are different places of worship in the neighborhood also, like church, temple, mosque, gurdwara. So students, there is an activity given. Take the people to the right place in the neighborhood. Here is a boy and girl. Where should they go? By looking them, they are wearing a uniform and they have school bag also. So where they want to go? In hospital, in police station or school? Yes, they are going to school. So you have to find their path and to reach the school. Okay, and there is a police. Where we see police? In the police station. So find the path of this police to reach the police station. One more question is there about street light. Students, do you know what is the use of this street light? Because street light keep us safe from dark in the night time. So street lights in our neighborhood is very important. Read this lesson. Thank you.